Okay, I am live again for the second time. I I didn't know. I didn't know I didn't have any sounds, and I didn't really expect that people would be watching. So I didn't look at the chat. So I'm sorry. But now I think I have sound. Yeah, it's working. So yeah. Now I'm just going to repeat everything I said. Um, so, as you already know, if you've seen my previous lives, I I've been looking at like what direction I want to take for this whole challenge. And if you are new here, I'm trying to become the best trader I can be in 6 months. Right now, I'm a total beginner. And I'm just going to completely focus and study for the next 6 months to become a profitable trader. So, for the past few days, today is day 4, I think. Yeah, day 4 or day 5? Day 4, I think, of this 6-month challenge. And for the past few days, I've just been looking like what direction I want to take, and I came across ICT. And the moment I started watching, because a lot of people, they say that the 2022 mentorship is good to start with. So the moment I started watching that, I immediately noticed like this is maybe a bit too advanced for me. I didn't understand a thing. So then I looked at the Market Maker Primer course, which is a bit more structured, like a course, which I like because the mentorship, it felt a bit chaotic and not really structured. But then, today I wanted to like really focus and study the Market Maker Primer course of ICT. And I noticed that, oh my God, I am way too much of a beginner for this. And that was also something that one of you commented on my lives, that ICT, it's not for beginners. It's a bit too advanced for beginners. So first of all, we need a good foundational knowledge. And yeah, I think I just thought, well, I'm going to just go straight into ICT, like dive deep into it. But no, that's not the way to go. I didn't really understand the thing already with episode 1. He was talking about... Sounds good now. Nice. I see the chat now, so that's good. I am looking at the chat. I'm not going live without looking at the chat anymore, so nice. Okay. So yeah, I was looking at that episode and he was already talking about order blocks, like bearish order blocks, and I had no idea what he was talking about. So yeah, like Henk, you said it in one of your comments, ICT, it's not for beginners. So I need to get a foundation first in trading, and I kind of need to go back to the basics. Just like with any high income skill, you're not going straight into the deep theory, you're starting with foundation. So that's what I want to do for the next 4 weeks. And it also gives me a bit more structure for this 6-month challenge. Like, what do I want to study each week, and not jump around from video to video. So I actually asked ChatGPT to create a study guide for me. And it came up, wait, I'll just get it here. It came up with a really good study guide that will make me more confident with starting ICT. So this is it, the 4-week foundation study guides. And yeah, we're starting with price action and candlestick structure. So first of all, I need to understand how to read candles. I know how to read candles, But identifying highs and lows and interpret price behavior, it's something that, I can go a little bit deeper in. So candlestick anatomy, body wick, open and close, that I already know. But if you are a complete beginner, this is a good thing to study at first. Then types of candles, doji, engulfing, pin bar, etc. I have an idea of what they mean. Engulfing is like it engulfs the previous candle, so that's a strong sign for bearish or bullish. Pin bar, I'm not sure. I'm not sure what that is. No. So as you can see, I need to study this. So then support and resistance levels, that I kind of already know as well, but it's good to become fully confident in identifying support and resistance. Like how many times does the price need to hit support and resistance to become like a real support and resistance line? Like, is it from 2 times and then whoop, we've got support? So I need to study that as well. And swing highs and lows, how to spot them visually. Then it also gave me some exercises to do, some daily exercises that I can do to really understand whatever I'm studying that week. So it's really nice. Then in week 2, market structure, break of structure, trends and ranges. Goals is understand how price moves in trends, ranges and what structure shifts look like. So the market faces consolidation, expansion and reversal. Again, I have an idea of what it is, but not fully confident in it. Higher highs, higher lows versus lower highs, lower lows. That I already know. Okay. Break of structure versus change of character. Break of structure, I think it's like when a support line we have a breakout of a support line. I think that's break of structure. And change of character, I have no idea. So I need to study it. Internal versus external structure, I have no idea what that means. No. And then again, some exercises to really understand this. By the way, I will, for anyone who's like on the same level as I am, I'll just put the PDF in the description, and then you can just follow this study guide as well together with me. That's nice. And then week 3, liquidity, stop hunts and order blocks. There they are, the order blocks. I have no idea what it is. Stop hunts, I think it's the institutional traders that are hunting the stop losses of us, the retail traders, I think. Start spotting liquidity pools and understanding why price moves. What is liquidity in Forex? Buy side and sell side liquidity, equal highs and lows. Stop hunts and fake outs, introduction to order blocks, bullish or bearish. Okay, mark out areas with equal highs and lows and watch how price reacts around them. Okay, I'm excited for these exercises, it looks nice. And then week 4, trading psychology and journaling, because before we go deeper into ICT, we need to build good habits and our mindset. So the study topics of week 4 is why most traders fail, emotions, revenge trading and the lack of plan, journaling methods, confidence through repetition and data, and detachment from outcome. We don't want to think about money all the time, even though we are literally trading money, but we don't want to think about, oh, this week I want to make 1,000 euros, for example, or today I want to make 100 euros. I don't know. I just need to like build the mindset that I just want to become a good trader. I want to build a high income skill. So that's the study guide. And again, I will leave it in the description. Just see, a pin bar is a candle with a very small body and large wicks. Very good. Nice. Thanks, Henk. Dank je. So yeah, I'm going to follow this foundation study guide. If you have any feedback, like things that I need to know before starting ICT, you can leave it down below in the comments, and maybe I will add it to the study guide and update the study guide. But I think from what I see here, it looks pretty good. It looks like a good foundation before I go deeper into ICT. So yeah, that was the live. Now I'm going to finish my tea, and then it's time to sleep because it's almost 10:30. It's 10:11, and 10:30 I want to be in bed. So tomorrow I'm going to wake up not too early, like around 6, and I'm going to log in, going to study. And if you want to do this with me, like if you're also a beginner, again, you can find the study guide in the description, and we can do this together. And then after these 4 weeks, we can really get into ICT. Okay, I will see you tomorrow. I'll just close the streaming software. That's already a lot to take in. Okay, but you think it's doable, right? In 4 weeks? I think in 4 weeks it's, yeah, like 1 whole week for price action and candlestick structure. I think, yeah, it's nice. Okay, well, I will go to bed in a few minutes, and I'll just do a proper bye-bye. I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.